Hello friends, good morning. So in this video we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the coming week. As coming week we have weekly expiry. We have risen for almost for 4 5 weeks in a row. Last Friday we had a good fall also. So what can happen in the coming week? What are the important astro events which are happening? Because it's a very good important aspects which are forming. So basically, as you can see here, Mars is going in Gemini, which is called as ingress. And if you see here, Mercury trine Pluto, which is an important turning point, it is happening on 22nd August. Moon is in extreme declination, Mercury is at zero declination, and Moon and Earth are maximum. So basically, two lunar dates are coming together, which is very important. And more importantly, Sun is under Virgo. Now, as per Gan, if you go to his Wikipedia page, also he has given a lot of emphasis on double ingress. Whenever within 2 consecutive days, if two planets are changing sign, then it is very important. Also on 25th, 24th, we have Uranus retrograde. So basically, three big planets, Uranus, Jupiter, and Pluto, are in retrograde, which generally adds to a lot of one-sided move or trending moves into the market. Now let's quickly see how these astro events impact the market and what could be our levels which we can look for the coming week. So as you can see here, I've applied Mars and Sun whenever they are doing ingress. So here, I mean, as you can see here, 22 and 23 that is happening, and last time both were together were here, so we were in a sideways zone, and after that a good trending move came for three trading sessions. So generally when two planets, see here, one or two are ingress and then two trending days, so generally if you get a trending move during the expiry week and you're able to catch, very big money can be made here, because the options are very cheap within 2 days and a good trending move. So this is a very important thing. Secondly, let's discuss about the aspect also. So here I have applied Mercury trine Pluto, and as you can see here, whenever it happens, either you get a big fall or a big rise. This is a very important turning point as per our note. See here, this is the point, after that a good fall, this was the point, after that a big rise. So this is a very important. So today's high and low will be valid for the whole week. See, after this a good trending move. So this is a very important aspect. Now others are quite simple, so you can just go ahead and backtest, but generally I'm expecting a good trending move in the coming week also. Now let's quickly look at the supply and demand analysis also. This is for Nifty. Nifty has crossed this trend line which it is not able to cross from the last 3 weeks, right? Sorry, last three times, first time, second time, third time, it has crossed here and took support here. So probably, 17,576 is a good support. Generally, when market crosses these kind of important trend line, then it will just whipsaw around these trend line and then lead to a big move either on upside or downside. So I mean, if you are a positional trader, your trade initiation point will be either below 744.62 or above 18,134. And if you go to the monthly chart also, because there is very important interesting observation I find on monthly chart also. So the highest monthly closing which Nifty has seen in the last few months is 17. It's not visible here. Let me show you in ME broker. This is Nifty. Let me go to the monthly chart. So the highest monthly closing which we have seen is 17,671 in the October month. After, when we had a big fall, after that we were never able to close above 17,671. So probably because in October only we made a top. So once we close above 17,671, then we can say that the market can resume its strong uptrend. This is a very important observation. Always remember that. See here, this was the monthly close before the COVID crash was 11,962, and as soon as we closed above 11,962, we had a very good move. So before a big correction, whatever is the important monthly close which we are seeing, and after that if it starts closing over it, so one level you should keep in mind is 17,672. If it starts, now it is trading above it, but still, there are eight, how many trading days? 31st is a holiday, so one, two, three, four, five, six trading days are remaining. So in 6 trading days, if it closes above 17,671, that will be very good for the market. And let's go to the daily chart again. See here, so 18,350 is the January high and 16,836 is the low, and important. So it is trading above everything. Now we have formed an outside bar pattern. In outside bar pattern, what generally happens is, generally near the tops, we generally tend to see a outside bar pattern like last time. Around this also, this was an also an outside bar pattern. So this low is very very important, which is 17710, probably will open gap down below this. But if it is sustaining below this low, then what could be our potential target? Let me quickly show you that also. We have a program for outside bar also. So as you can see here, this has pointed outside bar pattern. If this low is breached, then 570, 429, 288 are targets, and on upside 8132. If this high is breached, which is 719.2, 18132, 18273, 18414, and 18555, till the next outside bar is not formed. Last time it formed an outside bar somewhere here, and you can see it did all the targets. It exactly turned from the last target. So outside bar are very important potential pattern. Note down these levels. Whenever this high and low is breached, we can look for these. Now. So this is about Nifty, and let me quickly show you the harmonic pattern. This is shark pattern also. It has a target of 18678. So probably so good support around 17576 to 17500. And on the weekly charts, we are above this trend line. We reacted from this potential Andrew Pitchfork resistance zone. So this is a support zone if this is held, and if this is closed, then we are heading all the way towards 18600 odd levels if it starts closing above 18000 odd level this time. Monthly is looking with the quadrant lines. Again, we are near the resistance zone. Now let's quickly move to Bank Nifty. Again, it is resistance zone in monthly chart, and alternate ABCD is forming. The target is 4684 for this move. This is the last high, the B part, which is around 38765, which should act as an important support zone. And 38765 is also important because it is also near January high also. I'll show you quickly. So this is outside bar pattern. Note down these targets. If this high and low is breached, these are the targets which you can look at. The orange levels are the targets both on upside and downside. And yeah, so this is very important. See here, the January high is also 38855. January highs and lows are very very important points. You'll see very good trending move around these points. So this is important. So, and let me quickly show you the supply and demand chart also. Bank Nifty is way above the trend line. Bank Nifty is very very strong as compared to Nifty, and probably if this high is breached, then we probably should see 41829 by either September or October near Diwali. And support of the supply and demand zone is around 37877. Now, so we have discussed on every aspect. Now let's look at the levels which I have to watch out for. So Bank Nifty trend deciding level is this 38961, and these are the targets which I'm looking at for the coming week. Nifty 17723, and these are the targets. All are spot levels. So very short and sweet video on various studies which we do, and at last these levels. So if these levels are sustained for 15 minutes, go long with 108 point stop loss in Nifty and 55 point stop loss in 108 point stop loss in Bank Nifty and 55 stop loss in Nifty, and these are the targets. Trade are initiated around these levels only, and these levels should be used for profit booking zones. So that's about it. Thank you very much for viewing this video. I wish you guys all the best. Stay disciplined. Thank you.